Underwater filter in Apple Motion. You can find the underwater filter here on the filters, distortion, and underwater. The underwater filter, once applied, will automatically give you this result. Underwater filter contains these parameters. We have the size. It controls the size of the effect or the underwater. Then speed controls the speed, of course. Refraction controls the amount of distortion on the layer. Repeat edges. It will repeat the edges of the layer. For example, take a look on our layer. You will notice that there's a gap between our layer. To solve this issue, we just click this or select this repeat edges and it will fill those gaps for us. Size, it controls the size of the ripples in the underwater. So let's try to reduce. The lower the value, the more ripple you will have similar to this. And yet, if you increase or set the size to a higher number or higher value, you will have this kind of wobbly effect applied on your image. So you can increase that one up to 100. Let's reset that. Speed. You can see that at 0.5 we have this, but the lower the number, the slower it is. So at 0, there's no movement at all. Yet once we crank up this number, we have this crazy looking underwater effect. Let's reset that. So refraction earlier, this is the distortion of the image. Let's try to reduce and then adjust the size. You notice the difference. I want you to take a look here at the goggles. So you will notice that at 10, there's not a lot of distortion going on. And yet, if we increase that or change the value to 200, we will have this result wherein our layer or our point of view earlier, the goggles, is already distorted. Similar to the ripple effect, it is best to adjust some parameters at the minimal first and don't forget to repeat edges. That's how to use the underwater effect in Apple Motion.